Damn, she looking good. But today, I want to talk about this right here. Yep, this. So those are static R8 door lights that I installed maybe 3 or 4 years ago in this car, and they've been great. They've never caused a single issue. They're super bright. They're super crystal clear. I mean, I really like them a lot. However, I recently installed some dynamic door lights on my W205 C300 Mercedes, and I like them a lot. And I know my sponsors from DMP Car Design, they have door lights for many makes and models, but apparently they also have the dynamic door lights for my Audi R8. So they didn't just send me one set, they sent me 4 sets, and they're all custom. And when I say custom is, I can supply them with logos, artwork, and they can actually make a custom door light. Or I can pick a bunch of different logos that they already have in their database. So I'm gonna install them one by one, and we'll go through each of them, and then we'll see which one I should keep. And if you're interested in this style of door light for your Audi R8, or if you have a different make and model, definitely go check out DMP Car Design. I'll leave the information in the description below. Okay, let's get to the install. So I'm working on the passenger side right now. What I'm gonna do is use a trim removal tool, and I'm just gonna insert it on the left or right side. I'm not 100% sure the orientation I installed this one, but the side that starts coming out, that's the one I wanna fully pry out. It should come out pretty easy, so let's try the left side. I can already see the right side popped off, so that's the side I wanna pull down. And there it is. And then I just need to pinch this connector and pull it off. Now here's the brand new one, really easy, reverse install, pop the connector on, slide in the connector side first, and then push the rest until it snaps, and we're done. So I ran into an issue. I noticed the projection on the floor was upside down, which means I need to turn this around. So I'm gonna redo it real quick. Just gonna pull it out, flip it around. That's it. Should be good to go now. So here's the first one. Audi rings, that looks pretty cool. To the red R8 logo, how cool is that? A really cool combination right here. Okay, next one. Old school R8 logo. To the DFW R8 crew logo. That's super cool. That's my crew here in Dallas, Fort Worth. Wow. Okay, next one. Red R8 logo. To the DFW R8 crew logo. I'm really liking this one. I bet my crew members would really like this one a lot. It's crystal clear and it looks super sharp. Yeah, that's sick. Okay, last one. Got the red R8 logo to my Flex Garage logo. So this is a win. This is super cool. I have this same logo on my Mercedes, except it's Mercedes to the Flex logo, but this is R8 to Flex logo. Yeah, I'm loving this one. I'm loving this one a lot. So you gotta admit, those are some pretty cool door lights for my Audi R8. But what I really wanna know is what's your thoughts? Which one should I keep? So definitely leave it in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time.